In front of me is Google Pixel 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock and tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock right away. Following that, you need to enter your screen lock and click on Face Unlock section over here. Now scroll all the way down and hit I agree. Then after tapping on Start, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now select Done. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!